What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am here at one of my favorite Dollar Trees, and behind me we have a fire truck repair going on. I don't know exactly what's going on, but they're fixing it right here, or attempting to fix it right here in the middle of the parking lot. Anyways, let's go ahead and head into Dollar Tree and see what's new. This is the newest, not the newest, but the front is brand new. We have a brand new Aldi here, but this location has been redone and it's definitely the hugest location in my area. This location always has a lot of sales right here. We have the Evian, 2 for $1, but many of you mentioned to me that these are actually supposed to be sold as a 6-pack. I've never seen them sold as a 6-pack in any of my stores though. We also have pork rinds for 50 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and get a cart. And it looks like we have tissues as the weekly wow. Ioni Zodiac lashes. These are brand new. We have Pisces, we have Aquarius, we have, look you guys, just basically an entire display. Aries, Gemini, Libra. Okay, let me find Virgo, because that's what I am. Virgo. We have Earth. What sign are you? I'm Earth sign. We have fire. We have air. We have water. Scorpio. Drop your sign in the comments, you guys. So we have Sagittarius, Cancer, Gemini. Yes, you guys, these are all brand new from Ioni. This is the Ioni Zodiac. This is what the little side display looks like. It says Lash Bar. Yep. Those are definitely brand new. This location always gets me super excited. This aisle can often be really stocked with new makeup items. Like, look at this. By Ardell, we have Sensual Eyes. Those are definitely brand new for the week. This is in the color Love Lust. Definitely brand new. Again, the only store that has crackle polish. This is the only location that has the crackle polish. The Lip Sugar Scrub and the Lip Scrubber. That's a brand new display. This is the Sugar Scrub. This goes on so smooth and nice, and this truly is like a translucent powder. I've tried both of these from Be Pure and they're really nice. Lots of e.l.f. items, but basically the same e.l.f. items that we had last time I came in. Oh, the little tattoos, the temporary tattoos. The brand is Mila and Studio. They're gold foil face tattoos. We also have that variety. We have the dots and the stars. I think just those two varieties. Sassy and Chic fan brushes. The ear lifters are here. This is the only location where I've seen the ear lifters. You're like really pretty. They have a few different colors of these. The Yardley Deep Cleansing Dead Sea Mineral Wipes. That's my first time seeing those. They have the nose strips here. And again, it's such a great deal. You get 18 nose strips, not like 4 or 6, 18, you guys, 18 of them. That's a really nice value. I don't see these at all the stores, but they have it here. This is the Shea Butter Body Lotion. And then we also have the Shea Hand Cream. And the Shea Hand Cream is a nice big size. Look at this, 6.5 ounces. That's probably the largest bottle of hand cream that you can grab in Dollar Tree. See, 2, you guys, 2 in a pack. Now, what would you rather have, 2 or 18? I'd rather have 18. All the deodorants. This is the only location that I've seen the limited edition Jurassic World Barbasols in as well. And it's just the original. They also have the rosemary and mint natural deodorant from Suave. We have Speed Stick, Dial, Secret, Lady Speed Stick, Old Spice Pure Sport, Arm & Hammer. Lots of name brands. Another huge display of lashes. The Wispy Dramatic and the Natural Light Wispy. And then all of the individual lash extensions are here. We have even more over here. Yeah, you guys. I'm gonna put my keys away and set my purse down, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me on the very next aisle. We're gonna check out even more things, even more new items. Like, I think all of these are brand new. The packaging is definitely looking new. These are all wipes: cleanse and soothe, cleanse and balance, cleanse and hydrate, cleanse and moisturize, and cleanse and refresh is what I have in my store. So definitely come back to the very next video, you guys. Thanks for shopping with me here in Dollar Tree. If you haven't yet and you had a really good time, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, joining the Bunny Birdie Gator family, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye, guys.